carved into the arid deserts of Peru. These gigantic lines have fascinated archaeologists, historians, and curious minds for centuries. Known as the Nazca Lines, these extraordinary creations are so vast that they can only be fully appreciated from hundreds of meters above. But how did a civilization from 2,000 years ago, without access to flight technology, manage to create such precise and enormous drawings? Are these lines merely artistic expressions, or do they hold a much deeper meaning that we have yet to decipher? The Nazca Lines were first discovered in the 1920s when commercial airplanes began flying over the region. While nearly invisible from the ground, these lines reveal perfect geometric shapes, animal figures, and even humanoid creatures when viewed from above. Among the most famous drawings are a 180-meter-long spider, a 90-meter-long monkey, and a peculiar figure known as El Astronauta, which strikingly resembles a modern astronaut. But why did the ancient Nazca people create these figures? And more importantly, how did they achieve such precise measurements? The scientific community has been searching for answers to these questions for years. One of the most popular theories suggests that the lines served as an astronomical calendar. Some of the lines have been found to align with significant celestial events. For instance, the spider figure's legs may correspond to specific positions of the Orion constellation. However, even this theory fails to explain all of the lines. Could such an immense effort have been dedicated solely to making a calendar? In 2023, new research revealed a complex underground water channel system beneath the Nazca Lines. This discovery strengthened the theory that the lines were created to mark water sources. The Nazca Desert is one of the driest places on Earth, where water is synonymous with life. But if the lines were simply marking water locations, why were such elaborate and massive figures chosen instead of simple symbols? Perhaps the answer lies in the possibility that the lines served multiple purposes. Even more intriguing are the elongated, deformed skulls found in the Nazca region, which are significantly different from normal human skulls. DNA tests on these skulls have shown that some do not match any known human lineage. Could these skulls be evidence that the Nazca people were a different species? Or are they simply the result of a cultural or religious practice? One of the most controversial theories proposes that the Nazca Lines were an ancient airport of some kind. According to this theory, the lines functioned as landing strips for extraterrestrial beings. But is there any evidence to support this claim? Some lines are extraordinarily straight and extend for kilometers without deviation, which supports this theory. Additionally, the techniques used to create the lines appear to be far beyond the technological capabilities of the time. One of the most controversial theories proposes that the Nazca Lines were an ancient airport of some kind. According to this theory, the lines functioned as landing strips for extraterrestrial beings. But is there any evidence to support this claim? Some lines are extraordinarily straight and extend for kilometers without deviation, which supports this theory. Additionally, the techniques used to create the lines appear to be far beyond the technological capabilities of the time. One of the most astonishing aspects of the Nazca Lines is that some figures only reveal their full significance during specific days at sunrise or sunset. How did they achieve such precise astronomical calculations using simple tools? Could the answer lie in a lost technology? What do you think? Do the Nazca Lines represent an astronomical map, a part of a religious ritual, or a communication system with extraterrestrial beings? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this content interesting, don't miss our video about the Palpa Lines, a nearby mystery that no one has yet solved. In our next video, we'll explore similar mysterious drawings found in different parts of the world. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because the next set of discoveries will surprise you even more. So, do you think the mystery of the Nazca Lines will ever be fully solved? Or will this enigma remain forever unsolved? We look forward to your answers. Until next time, see you in the next video. The Nazca Lines, which are listed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO, are of great archaeological and cultural importance. However, the protection of this unique heritage is facing various dangers. Climate change and increasing strong winds can cause the lines to erode and fade over time. In addition, uncontrolled vehicle traffic and human activities in the region cause physical damage to the geoglyphs. In particular, illegal land occupations and environmental pollution are other important threats that lead to the deterioration of the Nazca Lines. The action taken by Greenpeace activists near the lines in 2014 drew great reaction on the grounds that it was damaging the region and once again brought to the agenda the importance of protection efforts. The Peruvian government and international organizations are taking various measures to protect the Nazca Lines. Entrances to the region have been strictly controlled. Monitoring systems have been developed using drones, and projects are being carried out to reduce environmental impacts. However, more awareness and global cooperation are needed to pass on this unique cultural heritage to future generations.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is